Sir.
Hi all, I'm Glory and I'm an assistant professor from the mechanical department, and today as a session has started, it was such a wonderful and exciting session that when I was delivering my classes, I never thought that a session can be handled in such an extent or to such an entertaining extent. And the information that is provided by the Henry Chauncey Institution is so great that I would encourage and I would also suggest every student to turn up to the institution to know what exactly is it, and then according to their decision they can 100% for sure they can join in the institution, because the topics and the way they are encouraging the student or they want to shape up the student is ultimately good. In the sense, suppose if a person is appearing for an interview, he has to be thorough with his body language, thorough with the communication skills, and many other aspects will be considered by the HR and all the interviewers who will be conducting an interview, wherein because I am a lecturer, I may not be able to give that much information that is required for a student to shape him up. And these institutions are really important for any student who want to excel in his life, at the same time reach the apex in his future. So I really suggest and recommend all the students to turn up to the Henry Chauncey Institution and to interact with them, know exactly what they offer, and once you talk to them or interact with them, you yourself can decide that these many number of points are really missing in their life so far, and this will definitely shape up a student for his bright future. Thank you so much.
And thank you very much for your feedback, madam. And now you gave a message to the students. And can you please also tell us a message for the rest of the chairmans, colleges chairmans as well?
Yeah, surely sir, because management is the first thing who has to take up this initiative to encourage the students, or even if the students are not exposed to such institutions, it is the management responsibility to invite the institutions from different areas. It's one specialization that I should call it as, because just securing a percentage is not enough for a student. If he has 90% on his BTech certificate, without the communication skills or without the courage to face an interview is waste. So the management is better. I mean, it's really good on their part, because as how much efforts they are putting in to shape up an institution or to grow an institution. Even this is one of the criteria they have to consider. That is inviting such institutions which are really helpful to the students to make up their future.
In what way do you think Henry Chauncey makes a difference from other institutes, ma'am?
The only difference I should say is you are teaching the students, but teaching is not exactly like teaching. You are making them to learn the things without making them feel that they are in a teaching class. That's the difference I should say that Henry Chauncey is making up.
So thank you very much for your feedback, madam. I wish you all the best for your futures, and that was a lovely feedback that you have given us. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. I wish you the same. Thank you. Thank you.